Hello everyone, my name is Satyam and welcome to my channel. Hello guys, I'm back with my another video. So in this video I will be talking about my new motorcycle accessory purchase which I made, and that is a throttle lock. Now what is a throttle lock? As you all know, many of the top-end bikes like top-end Harley Davidson, BMWs, Triumphs has factory fitted cruise control in them. So this throttle lock kind of gives your bike a cruise control. The difference between a throttle lock and a cruise control is that throttle lock locks your throttle, that is your accelerator, but cruise control locks your bike at certain speed. Like if you set your cruise control on 80 kilometers per hour, then it will maintain the same pace. But in throttle lock, it maintains your same acceleration. But it almost works the same. Now why would you need a throttle lock? It's really very simple. After riding for 150 kilometers or 200 kilometers, you want to give your right hand a bit rest. While riding, you can give your right hand a rest, but you cannot give your left hand rest because your bike starts re-accelerating and stuff. So most of the time you take a small break, 10 to 15 minutes, to give your right hand a rest. But when you're doing a 700 kilometer or 1000 kilometer ride, then you cannot afford to take small breaks every after 150 or 200 kilometers. So that time you can just lock your throttle at any position and you can give your right hand some rest. Now installing this thing is stupidly easy. Now it's a two-step process for my bike because my bike has a knuckle guard, but if your bike doesn't have a knuckle guard, then it's just a one-step process. So the installation process of this throttle lock on my bike goes somewhat like this. You have to first remove the knuckle guard, then slide in this rubber band, and then install this cruise control just by tightening it using this knob, as you can see right over here. So if you rotate this knob clockwise, then it will be loosened, and if you rotate this anti-clockwise, then it will be tightened. So that's how simple it is to install. Now using this thing is more simpler. As you can see over here, when you start feeling that your right hand needs some rest or you want to do something with your right hand, then you can just push this lock on your brake lever and it will hold your throttle at that specific position. And that's how simple it is. Now this thing specifically for me is really very useful because I operate cameras while riding. As you all know, I motovlog, so I have to operate my GoPro and stuff. And using my camera from left hand sometimes does the work. So many of the time I have to take my hand off from the throttle and operate my camera. But my bike on the other hand is gradually deaccelerating. Now guys, is using throttle lock safe? It depends upon where you are using. I won't suggest you to use it in city traffic or on the roads where you have to quickly brake and stuff. Use it on open highway where all the vehicles are traveling in the same speed, so you don't have to apply brake now and then. Now guys, let's take it for a real life test. Let's go. So using throttle lock for first few time will make you really feel very nervous. But after some time you will feel really very confident. And it's kind of nice experience to be able to sit back on your bike while your bike is cruising down the highway. Now guys, let's talk about the build quality. The build quality of this throttle lock is awesome. It is all metal build. The only non-metal part in this throttle lock is a rubber band, and that is to protect your brake lever from getting scratched. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it about this video. Now guys, talking about this accessory, it's kind of expensive. This specific one will cost you around 4,500 rupees. Now there are similar products which will cost you less. The same brand makes one more throttle lock that is for 2,500 rupees. The difference is only that it's made up of plastic. Now there is one more brand called Omnicruise. The price of that throttle lock is 7,500 rupees, and this both work the same. So I will list down all the similar products in the description box, so you can definitely check it out. So now I will end my vlog over here because it's 8 o'clock in the night, and tomorrow morning 5 o'clock I'm leaving for a ride, so I have to grab 2 to 3 hours of sleep because now I have to edit this video and upload. Tomorrow basically I'm doing this Nashik, Lonavala, Pune back to Nashik ride. It's total 480 kilometers ride. So I'm really very excited to do this ride, and in this ride I can also test out my throttle lock. So yeah. Alright guys, so here I end my video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't already subscribed, then click here to subscribe and click here to see my last video, and I'll catch you in the next video. Okay, bye.